Today, I'm going to show you how to use the desktop folder in the File Explorer on Windows 11 to move, copy, and rename files. Even though you can see all your files on desktop, I will show you how to use the desktop folder to keep everything organized and be able to move, copy, and rename. Please stay until the end for a free bonus. Let's get started. Step 1 is moving your files from the desktop folder to the documents folder. We're going to open the File Explorer, one click left on the left click. That opens the Explorer. Now we're going to open the desktop folder. Left click one time. This shows me everything I have on my desktop, and I'm going to move it to the documents folder. Okay, so I'm going to right click on the one I want to move. We're going to right click on March, April RV trip. We're going to go up and cut it. Then we're going to go back to the side pane. We're going to left click on documents, open that. And then we're going to right click here in the open space, and we're going to paste. And that moves it, removes it from your desktop and puts it in your documents. So remember, moving a file does not delete it. The file is simply taken out of the desktop and placed into another folder. For example, when you finish your homework assignment or a work document, you can move it from the desktop to the documents folder to keep everything organized. And you can also move it by dragging it into that folder. Copying your files. We're going to go back to our desktop. And we're going to open that again and the desktop folder. And now we're going to copy, which makes a duplicate of the file. The original stays on the desktop. So this is if you want to be organized, but yet be able to access it easily on your desktop because you're not done with that project yet. So I'm going to pick Organize Desktop Thumbnail. I'm going to right click. I'm going to go up to the top and copy. And then I'm going to go into Documents, go into the open space, right click, and go to your paste. And there it shows up in your documents. So I will show you where Organized Desktop Thumbnail stays in your desktop also. So I'm going to go back to Desktop, and here it is, Organized Desktop Thumbnail. So you're going to have it in both places. That helps you get ahead of the game with organizing, but yet have it available on your desktop so you can work on it easily. So now we're going to rename files. Okay, we're going to right click on First Video Script YouTube. We're going to go up to the rename. And I'm going to rename it Final Script Saving Bookmarks. And now you just enter, and it saves it there for you. So try to find names that you're going to be able to recognize and remember what it is. So let's summarize now what we've learned today. We've learned how to move files, copy files, and rename them, making files easy to recognize. Copying files creates backups, and moving them organizes them into a different folder and removes it from your desktop. So remember, moving a file does not delete it. It only changes where the file is stored. Thanks for visiting my channel. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please subscribe so you don't miss any in the future. And be sure to get my free bonus down in the first pinned comment.